Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to send money with Google Wallet. Sending money with Google Wallet is possible, but it depends on your location. Supported countries like the USA or India, Google Wallet integrates fully with Google Pay, allowing peer to peer transfers. To send money, open Google Wallet or Google Pay, tap Send or Pay, then select a contact using their phone number, email, or QR code, enter the amount, choose your funding source like a linked debit, credit card, or Google Pay balance, and tap Send. Keep in mind, both you and the recipient must be in supported regions. In other countries such as the UK, Canada, or most of Europe, Google Wallet mainly store cards, IDs, and passes without an option to send money directly. Ensure you have a Google account and a verified payment method to complete transfers where available. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.